How are we doing, guys? Right, back for detail number 3 for Toi Gye Hyeung, our brown belt pattern. Okay, so this is going to be the one that's going to be the bone of contention for certain people because, as I said in video 1 for this pattern, we have ITF-ish patterns, effectively. Okay, the system that both myself and our chief instructor learnt was from a organisation called EKKA, EKKA, English Korean Karate Association. I will let you you argue the points of why there are 3 nationalities in that title. Okay, which meant that they were a blended system of both Korean ITF Taekwondo and Japanese Wado Ryu, which means they kind of have bits of both, which means you have pluses and negatives, but it also means certain things were adapted. Okay, which means although I love what I do, I love the system, I can also understand the perspectives of people that are obviously purists, understand that it's not real ITF, but we're not trying to be. Okay, so just, you know, I'll put that disclaimer out there so you understand. If you have comments, please put them below in whatever you're watching this on, and, you know, we can argue the toss and shoot the breeze, that's fine. Okay? But do understand, this is for our students, this is not designed to be a tutorial for people that are in registered ITF clubs, just so you know. Okay? Right, middle bit. When you get to the middle of Toi Gye Hyeung, you get to the end of the combination that was in my last video, which was kick, land, punch, punch. From there, you come up to the centre, hands come here. Okay, you look very much like a bossy dinner lady. Okay, and then there is a selection of what is in ITF patterns, mountain blocks, which we have, which is just in, and we are here, which is horse stance, one line, and then hands high, thumbs point behind you. Okay, and there are 6 of them. Okay, so from here it goes to this way. You go right leg, left leg. Then you do a full 180 and go left, right, left, and do one last left-footed one all the way 180. Back to the centre. Okay, here is the difference. Okay, at some time in our history, crescent kicks were put in. I believe it was sometime in the 70s. Okay, the system is these days what you class as old. It's about 50 years old. Okay, so it means that once we get to here, we do our first we'll call it movement. Okay, we go crescent kick first. We go right foot, hit, and then into a mountain block. Okay, now I've not got a ton of room in here to do this, as you can see. Okay, but from that then we'll go left and here, left again. Then my right, notice my bad footwork because I haven't got space. Left again, left again. Okay, ideally you want to move from one horse stance to the next with the kick. Okay, so I'll do one individually. I'll be here, my right foot will come through, and then I go fold, bam, at the end. Okay. I have seen a number of variants, and I've talked to a number of people on this before, where what we're saying mountain block, this, some have W block, some have it here like H block, so you have right angles, which is what we're after, thumbs back. We have seen the odd occasion where people are thumbs in, which as far as I'm aware is wrong, but I have seen it. So there are tons and tons and tons of variations, okay, but this is what we've got. Okay, our mountain blocks are horse stance, sit deep, okay, kinda this shape is mimicked here as much as possible, but we do not want our elbows below our shoulders. We want an H-style block, H-style mountain block. We don't want a W block. Okay, so I want to be here. Okay, thumbs will point backwards, obviously they're tucked in, but if you stick them out, they do that, they're not pointing at my head. Okay, so turn them round. Okay, knuckles out, not fingers. Okay, that's the section that we're dealing with here. Okay, from the beginning, you'd have your combinations to start, then you'd have your bit down the centre line, cross, here, kick, 1, 2, into this. I say, you go right leg, left leg, okay, starting the way you're facing from this, right, bam, left, no space, left foot, left foot, and then left foot to finish, okay. The last detail I want to put in this for our guys, when you land in that horse stance, do not drop your arms from here. Okay, once you're in this mounted block, you've got this nice H shape. Okay, don't go like that to fold to bring them back up. Okay, this block doesn't make a lot of sense at the best of times. Okay, but we want to really cross in front of us and then pull back. Okay, so I'll do, let me think about this, I'll do a left footed one. Okay, so I'd be here, kick, land, and I want to go cross, back. But I don't want to take my elbows below my shoulder line. Everything happens here at head height. Okay, that's what we're aiming at. Okay, like I say, there are a number of variations of this out there. There are a number of influences that influence this style that we have carried on. So like I say, if people got comments out there about what we do, that's cool. Comment, I'll have a chat with you. Okay, I get it, it's different. Okay, but it's not that dissimilar an idea of the difference between patterns when you look at karate. Because what do you guys do the same patterns as Shotokan guys, they do the same patterns as Kyokushin guys, they do the same patterns as Shitoryu guys, they do the same as Okinawan guys. But there are differences across the board. Okay, same patterns, different style differences. Okay, this is a similar idea. It's just not as well known because this is an English only style that happened sometime in the 60s and 70s. Okay, in case you care about the history of what type of taekwondo we do. Okay, have fun, enjoy, keep training.